From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for July 12, 2016. In just a moment, we'll be taking a look at the AUDUSD and the NZDUSD for today's trade analysis. But first, I want to recap a couple of the trade suggestions made this week. Starting yesterday, we were looking at opportunities in the live trade room to go long on the USD CHF into the support zone. That's the orange shaded area you see up here at the very top right hand corner of the chart. As the market dipped down into there, yesterday I had a pending order sitting right around the 98.10 level, just at the top of the orange shaded area, so I went long. As it touched down into the orange zone, currently sitting 24, 25 pips of profit as the market has bounced off the orange zone as expected. Of course, we will target the next level higher, which will be close towards the 98.60 level. At this point, the stop loss has already been moved to break even since we're above 20 pips of profit. So at this point, we have no risk left on the trade, but definitely watching for new opportunities on any dips back down into the orange zone. Of course, closing profit as it touches into the purple shaded area today. Moving on over to the GBPUSD. Yesterday's trade, we took a sell here into the blue shaded area, just into the 1.3 thousand level. Saw 40 or so pips of profit during the trade room yesterday, so we closed about 40 pips of profit with a small amount of the position, locking in with profit on the remaining position. The market went back up into the blue zone and took us out of the remaining parts of that position. It was a profitable trade, but not a full profit all the way down to the orange shaded area. Actually got into it again as it pushed into the 3015 level with a minimal stop loss. The stop loss became smaller as it pushed back into 3015. This time the market didn't bounce back down, went back up, took me out of the stop loss. So just about yesterday we were awash on the GBPUSD. Now I'm back into it. It's gone all the way up into the green zone, 3150 or so. You can see it touched the green zone today, bouncing off it a little bit. Look back to the left hand side. You see the support over here on the left. That's offering a clue to resistance on the right. I'm currently sitting 30 pips of profit. I've actually seen a little bit more than that on the trade. The stop loss is of course locked in. I can't lose on the trade, but definitely watching for new opportunities. My entry on the GBPUSD is 3175, right smack in the middle of our green shaded area between 3150 and 3200. So right in the middle is my entry, setting 30 pips, protecting profit, but selling this green zone, at least today, will become your opportunity if you're looking to trade the GBP. Of course, the risk in this case is that it breaks back above 3200 and starts moving back higher. So as long as it's underneath 3200, I think you have an opportunity to go short here on the pound dollar with your risk just above that 3200 level for the GBPUSD. Now, let's move on over to the NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Of course, we have been studying the fact that this currency pair is all the way at the very, very top of the longer-term trend. We're going back about a year now into July and August of 2015. On the bottom left, you can see it's been moving higher all along for the past year. We're capping out into the highest resistance high here for this currency pair up here at the pink shaded area, 72.95, 73.30. So just surrounding the 7,300 level is our multi-month high here for the New Zealand dollar. So as long as it's underneath there, I think there's an opportunity to take intraday bounces off of that level. I definitely don't think that there's a good opportunity to go long into the resistance level. It would have to go down before you would look for it to go back up. So intraday bounces off of the pink shaded area right around the 7,300 level become the opportunity. 4-hour time frame, again, you can see it. Let's zoom it in one more time. You can see it coming up here the third time, really. You saw it over here on the left, then you see it here, and now you see it back into that area now, into the 7,300 level. So again, staying underneath there has the opportunity for some intraday bounces back down, targeting the green shaded area here. I definitely don't think that this is a great opportunity to go long unless one of two things happens. It dips back down to the green zone, or in this case, likely would be the break above 73.30 for it to go higher. So for the time being, as long as it's under the pink zone, 7,300, I'm looking for opportunities for intraday bounces back down for the New Zealand dollar. In a similar scenario, same goes here for the AUDUSD. By the way, I am in already a sell on the New Zealand dollar. 73.05 is my sell price. Coming back over here towards the AUDUSD, we can see the resistance high into the green zone, 76.40, 76. 90 is the green shaded area. You see resistance all along this area back here on the left-hand side. I do have a sell limit sitting at 76.40, which has not been taken in yet by the market, and the market hasn't touched into my sell limit yet. So looking for a new opportunity if it touches into that level to go short into the resistance. I know what the risk is. The risk is it breaks above 76.90 or so. Stop losses would be above that green shaded area if you decide to get into it. So how do you make that stop loss smaller? You wait for it to go higher. So anywhere 76.40 up to 76.90 in that area there becomes an opportunity to go short here for the Australian dollar, looking for the bounce back down off of this resistance level, like what we see over here on the far left-hand side of the chart. One last thing, let's take Fibonacci from the high of the blue trend line down to the low, and interesting enough puts the 786 right at 76.85, top of our green zone. So I suppose the closer you can get to that, the better the risk reward will be for any shorts that you might take. Now, going long just doesn't seem like a logical scenario to go long right now. 4-hour time frame. We can obviously see the last time we were here we found resistance. That was just before the Brexit news. And of course here we are again. So going long right now just doesn't seem like an opportunity that's enticing. But looking for resistance and clues to reversal here from the resistance high will be what I'm watching for as we go through our day today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.